Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Studio. If you are new here, I am Balakrishna and today we are diving into Python conditional statements. Conditional statements are essentials in programming because they allow your code to make decisions based on conditions. By end of this video, you will understand if else, elif statements and nested conditions along with some practical examples. So let's get started. In this video, we will try to cover following topics. The first topic would be what are conditional statements, and the next we'll try to understand how to use if else and elif conditional statements, and also see some nested if else statements using Python. Now let's jump into Jupyter Notebook and write some conditional statements in Python. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements allow Python to make decisions. Based on whether the condition is true or false, different blocks gets executed. Now, let us understand with basic example. Here is the example. Let us run and see. In this example, the variable age is assigned the value 18. The if statement checks the if age is greater than or equal to 18. Since the condition is true, the message you are eligible to vote is printed. So, like this, we can write a conditional statement in Python using if keyword. Now, let us understand the other conditional statements. So, Elif, if you if you wanted to run multiple if statements in one block, then we need to use elif statements. Basically, it tells if the previous statement is not true, then check or try the next statement. Let us understand with an example. So here is an example. Let me run this. In this program, the program checks the conditions in a sequence. Okay, that means if score is 90 or above, it prints the grade A. If score is between 75 to 89, then print B. And if score is between 50 to 74, then print grade C, or else print grade F. So in this example, score value is 85, which falls under this condition. That is, it is greater than 75 and less than 90 and greater than 50. So this print message will get executed. Now let us understand the use of else keyword. Else keyword is used to catch anything which is not caught by preceding statements. Okay, so now let's write a code in this. In this example, if marks are greater than or equal to 50, this message will be printed, or else this message. So in this scenario, because the marks is assigned 75 value, which is greater than 50, so this condition passed. Now let's change the value to something else which is less than 50 and run the code and see the results. So now you can see the else part gets executed. Okay, now let us understand what is nested if. You can have if statement inside if statement, so that is called as nested if. So basically, sometimes conditions depend on other conditions. This is where nested if statement comes in handy. Let us run the code for nested if and understand its way of execution. The outer if checks if age is 18 or more. So in this scenario, yes, this condition will be true because the age is assigned a value of 20, which is greater than 18. So this message will be printed first. Now, as it is true, now it will go inside and check this condition where it is checking if the age is greater than 21. And this condition will not be true because the age variable is assigned to 20. So in that case, it will go into else block and this piece of message will get executed, as you can see in the result box. And if initial condition itself is not true, then it will directly jump into else block and it will print this message. So like this way we can write nested if else statements. That's it for now. So let's recap what we have covered today. So we understood what are the conditional statements, how to use if, elif, else, and nested if else statements using Python. Okay. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Code Studio. Let me know in the comment section what topic you would like next. See you in the next one. Thank you.